Hey, thanks for joining me. I wanted to let you know that we have an upcoming live class. So if you've been interested in learning technical analysis, you've been learning to try and swing trade some stocks, I'm going to go deeper into the charts here coming up this next week. And the classes start Monday. It's going to go probably 3 to 5 days. We could go a little bit longer, but it just depends on how much information we can cover in those sessions. We'll probably do an hour each night. So we'll start at about 9:15, 9:20 Eastern time. And we'll just kind of work through charts, and you're going to learn quite a bit of knowledge and details when it comes to trading technicals, swing trading, and that kind of thing. So if you want to take a look at this class and you want to join, it's called Swing Trading Full Circle. As for what we're covering, we're going to get into a ton of different material. So you'll see this pop up here that'll come up probably as you visit the page if you do it early enough, and then you'll be able to click that button, register, go through the checkout, and you'll get all the Zoom details because we'll be doing kind of like a live session within Zoom working together. And that way, if you have questions, you can go ahead and get them answered at that time. And even if you can't attend live, you'll be able to get the recorded sessions once they are through. And that's the time we kind of do our promotions and discounts. Now, as for the content and the things that we'll cover, I'm going to show you here in detail a little bit of the PowerPoint so you can see it. Now, this is just used as a guideline for the topics that we'll cover. We're really going to work more on screen and just kind of cover those things working together. So you can see we'll talk about some software, we'll talk about the prep work, we'll talk about pricing, how to set up trades, swing points, direction. We'll talk about retracements, nibbling, patience, commitments, trading earnings. We'll talk about ABCD structures, support, resistance, measured moves, overhead supply, gaps, Fibonacci levels. So again, even though here we'll talk about, there's only 2 slides on Fibonacci, talking about, sequences and how they kind of work and operate. We're actually going to go and do examples of them on the chart, so that way you get practice with it and really see how to apply these things as well. Not just kind of, just a slide thing. We'll actually work together on different charts, spotting Fibonacci levels and so forth. We'll look at picking stocks, going long, short, perma bears, and, investing in hope and staying profitable. So those are a lot of the things that we'll cover there. But again, a lot of that will also be hands-on within the charting platforms as well. So anyways, I hope you join me. We'll start February 7th. You can go to our website. You can visit tradersfly.com, and it's going to link you up to that class. Just click it. You can go through the checkout page, and it could be 3 days, it could be 5 days. If we need to roll it even longer, just to make sure things are in more depth and in detail, then we'll do that. I want to give you my time to ensure that you really got a good grasp on the technicals. And by signing up early, this is when we do a lot of the discounts and promotions. So at least you can register, you can get the discount, the promotion, and join me for a one-on-one session, asking your questions, learning more about technicals, chart patterns, and much more. I'll see you there in the class.